Hey guys, I just got this new product in from Amazon and I'm so excited to open it, so let's do it together. So this right here is a set of 6 candles that I ordered. This is what the box looks like after you take it out of the Amazon packaging. Absolutely beautiful, such a good gift idea. So now let's see how they smell and look. So this set is all natural soy wax blend candles. Here is what it looks like once we take the top off. So it does come with 3 scents that are all going to be lavender. So this is what they look like. And then when you take the top off, they have this really pretty little flower piece on top. And they smell so good. So as I said, we have 1, 2, and 3 of the lavender. So we have 1, 2, and 3 of the lavender here. And then the other scents that it comes with are going to be oriental and wood. Let's see. So this is a little bit more of like an earthy, a little bit brighter, a little bit of sweet to it, kind of like the beach a little bit. That's kind of what it reminds me of. So there's that one. And then we have the Theo Peanut. This one definitely is like more, I would say, nature-y, like more earthy. It's still very, very pretty. I wouldn't say as sweet as the others. That one's a little bit more mild. And then lastly, we have Cactus Flower. Oh, wow. I think this one might be my favorite. It almost smells like a little bit sweeter, a little bit citrusy in there, but so, so nice. So these are the 6 total that it comes with. As I said, 3 lavender. We have 3 other flavors, but they're all so nice smelling. So we're gonna light one. Let's see how they burn as well. So I have one of the flameless candle lighters. I'm just gonna go ahead and light this. I would say this is such a great set for a gift, for like a self-care day, spa day. All of these smell amazing. The packaging is beautiful, and it's definitely at an affordable price.